ONWOTE 4K Security System Review. The No More False Alarms, Home and Business Game Changer. You know that sinking feeling when your trusted security system lets you down. Blurry footage, endless false alerts from a leaf blowing by, or a camera that mysteriously quits in the rain. You're left squinting at grainy playback, wasting hours sifting through useless clips, and wondering if your property is really safe. The constant interruptions and nagging doubts eat at your focus and motivation. You want peace of mind, but instead you've got a high-tech headache draining your time, energy, and trust. It's exhausting and unnecessary. Now imagine the stress stacking higher. Critical moments missed because your system failed to record, deadlines to review footage you can barely make out, and the creeping burnout of constant system babysitting. Add in unmanageable stress from worrying about theft, vandalism, or liability, and it's enough to make you want to ditch security altogether. Every false alarm chips away at your confidence, while every gap in coverage is a risk you can't afford. That constant what if becomes a low-key paranoia living rent-free in your head. Meet the ONWOTE 8-channel 4K NVR PoE security camera system, your all-in-one security sanity saver. 6 wired 8MP outdoor IP cameras deliver razor-sharp 4K clarity with a sweeping 125 degrees field of view, powered through a single cable via PoE for hassle-free setup. AI human and vehicle detection filters out junk alerts, while color night vision and built-in audio recording ensure you see and hear the full story, day or night. The IP66 metal housing laughs at rain, snow, and heat, and the 8-channel NVR with 2 terabyte storage keeps weeks of footage at your fingertips. Whether you're guarding a home, shop, or multi-unit property, this is pro-grade protection made plug-and-play. Here's what people are saying. A homeowner boasts, "I can read license plates at 50 feet. A small business owner raves, "Motion alerts are spot on. No more false alarms. The AI detection, spotlight activation, and smart playback save hours, while the 8-channel synchronous view lets you monitor every angle in real time. Color night vision means no more ghostly shadows, just vivid, usable footage even in near-dark conditions. And because it's built to run 24/7 with H.265 plus compression, you get longer recording times without sacrificing detail. Reviewers from security tech to CCTV experts call it professional grade and a price-performance knockout. Curious why so many are ditching overpriced big brands for ONWOTE? Watch and see. Don't wait for the next "I wish I'd had that on camera" moment. Stock is moving fast. Secure your ONWOTE 4K system today and join thousands who've leveled up their security game. This is your chance to stop worrying and start watching with clarity, accuracy, and total confidence. Act now, lock in your peace of mind, and make every frame count. Your property deserves this.